Em chào chị. Chị hôm nay cho bọn em thử gặt lúa cùng với chị nha.
Em gặt đi. Gặt cho chị lúa
cho nó nhanh hả?
Cho chị nhanh được vàng.
Okay, so I asked her and she allowed us already.
So we got permission from the owner to help her cut. Just a couple of safety tips. Because we're doing manual, we don't have any gloves with us because we want to feel the real event and understand the hardships. The sickle that we have, it's very sharp. I'm hopefully not going to cut my fingers off in this video.
Anh ấy vừa bảo là vừa mới xin phép được chị rồi. Đây là cái liềm mà rất là sắc. Và anh ấy hy vọng là hôm nay thì anh ấy không cắt vào tay anh ấy.
Okay, right. So what do I do now?
I show you ấy.
Okay, so
Cut like this. I'm not cut for you. Just cut like this. Grab one and cut and continue. Till your hand full.
okay, hopefully I don't cut my fingers off. So
Cắt vào tay.
like
Bend yourself down and cut. No need to sit down.
you squat.
Yeah. Bend like this and cut.
Okay, so then I take this. We just put here.
Yes. Yeah. Okay.
Obviously, I'm heavier than most farmers because I'm starting to sink into the ground again.
Anh bảo anh nặng quá nên là anh ấy sắp chìm ở đây.
Okay, what do we do now? So,
So now it's enough for a bundle. So the bundle look like this.
Yeah. Safety
Anh hỏi làm
first.
nào để lượm mình một lượm lúa thì bây giờ mình sẽ hướng dẫn anh ấy. First I stand this side easier.
Okay, and I stay on this side, right? Should I get an ambulance
Em
for me? In case I cut my fingers.
It's very difficult. Eh? You do like this.
Yeah.
Put all the rice together.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah,
And one feet here. One feet here. Put my hand.
yeah.
One feet here to keep, and this one you keep by your hand.
Oh, wood.
This. Yeah. You keep two hands.
yes,
Two hands down. Grab all the rice.
yeah.
Do like this.
I have to
Okay.
pick it up.
You pick it up. Okay.
Okay.
Put all in one hand together. Okay. It's the turn. One, two.
This is not going to work that easy. It looks easy, but I think the rice is going to go all over the place.
Okay. Done.
Okay. We may have
Cái này
to
đã xong.
compensate for the
Cái này
leather.
đã xong lượm một lượm lúa. Anh ấy bảo là cái bước mà mình xoắn ấy thì nhìn thì rất là dễ nhưng mà anh nghĩ là khó lắm. Có thể là anh ấy sẽ làm tung hết lúa ra. Thì để xem là anh có làm tung không nhé. Okay, you try your own one.
Okay, so I'm going to make my own pile. Okay.
Để xem là anh có cắt được không và anh có lượm được lúa không nhé. Các bạn thử xem nhé.
Okay, so now,
So I supervise and you cut.
Okay, so it's all like dancing, right? The cha-cha-cha, okay? We put the left foot in, the right foot out, you turn the hokey pokey and you turn around. Okay,
Yes.
so that's what we're going to do now.
Yeah, you
We need to
put
put the
the
foot,
left-
if I can get it out,
Right foot.
in there.
Yeah.
So I'm going to collect it. This is all theory, right? It could go wrong.
okay, and then something like this. But now I must cut to this end.
Anh ấy bắt trước mình nhưng mà mình dùng tay trái và anh ấy dùng tay phải.
Okay.
Cho nên là nó bị ngược.
Right-handed.
Okay, you
Lefty.
put your left foot in here.
You put your right foot out, you do the hokey pokey and you turn around.
Yeah.
Now,
Yeah, you cut there. There, yes, sure. Where the other foot? Harder, harder, harder.
go lên, go lên.
Really nice. Very good, eh? Yeah. Look good, eh, man?
And then you,
You time, two time.
and now you do the hokey pokey and you turn around.
Wow, yeah.
Something like that. Is that Gangnam?
One more.
Okay, beautiful.
Người ta thì chỉ quay cái dây đai đây, anh ấy quay hẳn lượm lúa các bạn ạ. Now you tie here. You put it here, right?
Yeah. So not unwind.
Yeah, it's not unwind.
Ah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Fantastic, eh? Encouragement.
Rất giỏi.
Yeah. It's fantastic.
Almost finished. We did all the same. One more time. Yes. We put it in here.
I don't know where that goes.
Yeah. Perfect. Okay. Very good.
Hey, ba, một, hai, ba. So. Woohoo! Beep beep and woohoo! Come on! Ah, beep 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 and